Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to host Facebook watch parties in 2025. Let's get started. But there's an important note. Facebook officially ended the watch party in April 2021. It's no longer available on groups, pages, or profile. Some users report that even Messenger Watch Together option is gone in 2025, so you might not see across profiles or group anymore. But there's alternative to host shared viewing and engagement. Instead of a watch party, here's what you can use today. You can use Facebook Premiere, Facebook Live or Live Replay, Messenger Room streaming. So if you want to watch videos with friends like a watch party even though Facebook discontinued it, here are the modern ways. You can pick between a premiere, like you schedule a post on your Facebook page, or live. You can stream directly in real time, or messenger rooms where you can share your screen in messenger group call. For branded events, use Facebook Premiere via Creator Studio. Just upload your video and select Premiere and add title and description and set the time and date. And promote it early so followers can subscribe and get reminders. And if you prefer an intimate watch along, you can create a messenger room. You can invite friends and use screen sharing to play the video. Encourage a live chat, reaction emojis, or even polls in the comments, just like community watch party. That's how to host your own Facebook video watch along in 2025. No watch party required. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.